What is a medical expert in a medical malpractice case? Hi, I'm Frank Spector, medical malpractice lawyer in Maryland and DC for over 30 years. And in this video, I'd like to take some time to discuss what exactly is a medical expert. So in a medical malpractice case in Maryland, the law requires that the medical records be reviewed by a doctor. And that doctor has to be able to then come to court and to be able to say under oath that there were medical mistakes made and that those medical mistakes caused the injury that's being alleged. So with a medical expert, there are a couple of things that I want to point out. First of all, when you have a case of medical malpractice, the doctor that has to review the case has to be practicing in the same specialty as the case is against. So for example, if the case is against an orthopedic surgeon, the law requires an orthopedic surgeon to be able to come to court to review those medical records. You can't have an obstetrician or an internal medicine doctor be able to give opinions about mistakes that were made if it's not within their specialty. And so it's very important that you be able to select the appropriate expert. Otherwise, you won't be allowed to proceed with the case. A medical expert then has to be able to come to court and testify in a deposition, which I'll talk about in a future video, or at trial. In Maryland, before the case is even filed, the doctor has to create a very extensive report. And that report has to be very specific as to the amount of material and literature they reviewed in preparation for the case, and to be able to specifically say what the medical mistakes were in the case. It can't just be a general statement that mistakes were made. It has to be very specific. So again, the law requires a medical expert in a medical malpractice case. And I just wanted to explain that because you may have heard about a medical expert in talking to other lawyers or in your own research. And so I thought it would be important to give some clarity as to what exactly a medical expert is in a medical malpractice case. My contact information is below, and if you would like to speak with me about a medical malpractice case, I look forward to speaking with you.